Just got done with this awesome 12-inch build, and this is Ryatt McNeil's bike. This is going to be his rookie year, so we want to do a very special build with Kat and them, and we're going to get going and get this delivered to them.
That's your bike? You ready? Oh. What? Oh, you need your helmet. Where's your helmet?
What's your name?
That's Ryan.
Eric, pleasure meeting you, Ryan. Your hair looks good today. Did you do it yourself?
What? Do you love it? Merry Christmas, buddy. Thank you, give me a hug. Oh, you're welcome, buddy. How sick is that? See, the back tire's fixed. See? Explanation the other day, I'm like, look, remember the tire? Look at that. Look at the chain adjusters. You actually tell if it's straight or not now. Yeah. Pegs. Look at your foot pegs. No, be careful. Foot pegs, look at that. Look at nice foot pegs. Yep, you're going to get them all muddy. That's right. New grips. Yeah. Look at the colour of the frame. Custom. Is that custom? Yeah, we've got to go up there and get your helmet.
You can go to Ryatt's track.
Off you go. There you go, and then just go that way. Good job.
Is that so cool?
He's trying to get, he's backed up to get a nice straight run.
Thanks.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
buddy.
We'll go ride with his son later. Thank you so much.
I don't want, yeah, that's crazy.
So these usually have, so this is all usually set up with bulletproof right here. This is all bulletproof right here. So this has another piece here that slides. I took them all out because they're so heavy. They're just a pain in the ass again. So slide in here so you can still not get shot at.
Really?
Then you'll have on the other side flares.
As you were approaching, I was like, he brought the Huey. I'm like, there's no way he brought it, because you can, the Huey note, you can just, it just has its own note.
Well, you didn't need to take your boots off for that thing.